All right, a quarter after 9 in the morning. I'm in a number of trades. So this is oil. So you see the blue and red lines, and these are the buy and sell levels posted every evening. So this is from last night for 7 instruments, and I'm in a number of trades now. So what I do is I post after I post the levels, I draw the buy and sell levels on the chart, blue and red, and the dashed line that you see, that is the midline between the buy and the sell. And I want to be long above it, I want to be short below it, and oil is bullish. So after price breaks through the buy, that's when I start trailing the price. At first, I just have a hard stop in case price moves against me, let's say below the midline, and then I would be looking for shorts. So at first, it's just a hard stop. Once I'm in the money, I begin to trail the price, and every now and then, there's some very big moves that are possible to catch using this approach. This approach is not for everyone. It has its drawbacks as well. You definitely need to be patient. And you need to accept the fact that sometimes you're going to be in the money and then price moves against you, and all of a sudden you're either at break even or maybe just getting out with a small profit. But this is oil. Let me show you another chart. This is the 6E, the euro. Again, the buy and sell levels, blue and red, with a midline in between, and I am long above the midline. So first thing that price does is it gets to the buy level, and then, as right now, it's going beyond. So now I'm going to put my trailing stop, and that's how I am taking out for the most part. I don't have targets when I trade manually. I simply either have a hard stop when I first start the trade, and if I am in the money, then I trail the price. So I also have automated approach that I show in our Zoom room. And over there, the auto trader just targets $100 per instrument. And so far, it's been successful every day. Not in every instrument. Some instruments either don't trigger or might have a small drawdown. But overall, between the 7 instruments, the auto trader has been profitable every day with this methodology. This is the Dow, the YM, so it had a buy level at 465, a sell level at 270. So you see the midway point right in the middle there, and my long is right above the midpoint. So first, of course, price goes to the buy level once it gets above the midline, and that's when I start trailing the price. So I'm gonna trail it. Let's see how far it's gonna go. Extremely bullish. All indices just extremely bullish this morning. So we'll see where it gets us. Well, I am still in this YM trade. I don't know if I showed the post from last night. So I always post between 6 and 8 p.m. This one was right after Globex opened. So there was plenty of time, obviously, to get ready for these trades. And like I said, then all I do is, and what I encourage the members to do, is to put these levels on your charts, the buy and the sell, find the midway point, and then you know what to do as price progresses. It goes above the midpoint, you're looking long; below it, you're looking short, and you see these tests of the buy level. And this happens a lot. Price breaks above the buy level, then it retreats back to the buy level, and you see what a light touch it is right there of this buy area, which is just very bullish. So it tests it real quick and gets right out. So just other opportunities to get long if, let's say, you missed the original trade from lower levels. But looking strong. We'll see if they want to retest that high, possibly break through it. I'm just going to keep on trailing price. Well, they're hesitating, and I'm going to tighten up over here because if they cannot break the high, they're going to retrace and possibly retrace all the way back down to the buy level. So I don't want to give back too much. So I'm going to see if they can't break through, they're going to break down. There's no reason to give back. So I'm pretty tight here now, and I've been in this trade for hours. Since pre-market. So yeah, we'll see what's going to happen here. All right. Well, great trade. They look unable to break the high. They took me out, and that is all right. Great trade. I'm going to show you my rhythmic dashboard next. All right, so almost 2 o'clock. This is the rhythmic dashboard. You can see the clock running over here. This is a $300,000 account that we're following this month. Started the month with 310,000 because I always have 10,000 available in drawdown after the payout. So I never take more. I always make sure there was 10,000 left. This is where we are on June 13th. As you can see, the YM indeed is pulling back, could not get to the high, so it's pulling back. It could pull back all the way back down to the buy level. So that's why I'm happy I got out when I did. So just a great day. Everything just looks so strong, which is good. So if you want more information about what we do, you can email me. Everything is in the description. And next week might be a bit busy for me, but I still hope to make a video. So have a great day, everyone. Enjoy.